Hey there, hey, I appreciate you taking the time to open this video. I know that you'll be happy you did. My name is Matt Potratz. I'm a professional motivational speaker and an author and mentor, and I love what I do. I love to impact different audiences. One of my favorite audiences to be in front of are medical professionals simply because I spent 88 days, 88 straight days, over 100 days total in the hospital for surgeries and recoveries, but 88 straight days in the hospital, a long journey of recovery in their bed, feeling their impact, but also feeling their shortcomings and feeling their giving them a perspective they don't usually get, a perspective of their patients. And I challenge them to look at life through a new lens and look at their job through a new lens, ignite their passion for their job. I used to ride snowmobiles at a professional level for film companies to make the extreme backcountry movies, jumping off cliffs, climbing chutes, doing the crazy stuff, and I was relatively famous in a low scale in that arena. I rode in 7 different motion pictures, and I was viewed as one of the elite athletes of my kind in the world. And I was filming for a hill climb segment in March 2009, set off an avalanche. The avalanche crushed me. It broke my neck and femur and ribs and collapsed lung and brain damage, and I spent hematomas on both sides of my brain, and I spent 41 days total in a coma, and again 88 straight days in the hospital, and then more visits after that for surgeries and issues I had. And so I've been under their care. I've been in their beds. I've felt the pain of when things go wrong. I've felt when things go right. And so I give them that perspective of what that feels like. But also I talk to them about the fact that I can, as a patient, I can feel whether they're at their work for a paycheck or they're at their work because they have a passion for helping people. And so I help them ignite that passion to help people. I believe that every healthcare worker at some point gets weary and tired. And so I help them ignite that passion, realize how much what they do matters, because they get to see me, a success story of their work. And so I would love to have a chance to come to you before your audience, whether it's doctors or nurses or your entire hospital staff, or at a conference, anywhere you see fit. I can fit myself in there and I can make a huge impact on your staff. I promise you they'll walk away forever changed, and they won't stop talking about it for a long time. I believe it'll leave a lasting impression that hangs on for many years to come in your facility or at your conference. And so let's connect soon. Let's get together. Let's bring them this valuable perspective, and let's bring them the fire to ignite their passion for their job and take patient care and patient experience to a whole new level. Let's connect soon. Thanks. I look forward to hearing from you.